G'day y'all, Mr. Poulet with Poulet Homestead doing a video. We're outside, a rainy day. The chicks are, the silver lace are outside in the rain. Built them a little shelter, so yeah. So we got Stanley the last week with the boy. He's going to a new home on Friday when I go down home to pick up Chase and Piper. Chubbs is going to be by himself for the time being anyway. All the girls. Alright, so it's been 2 days. I didn't come check on the eggs yesterday. I was busy. So let's see what we got today. So I stepped on a white one yesterday because came in to check on their feed, but I didn't pick up the eggs. So I wanted to get here before Frizzle got back on the eggs, but she is sitting on 5 eggs. I took a sneak peek whenever she got up to eat, so I just filled the feeder up. They were empty on feed, so whenever I brought their feed back, they were pretty excited. So here we'll holy jumping eggs! Look at that! Look how well they stacked them. They stacked them some nice. Oh, Bob. Here, how many's in here? Hey, girl. You're the blue. Shut up, would you? This is the blue layer. There, all right. Let's see how many's in here. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 in the nesting box. And then we'll have a bunch up top. I'm sure in the corner. So we got 19. 19, there's probably a bunch up here. Yeah, there's your blue ones. So 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. We got 26. Probably none over here. Nope. So we got 26 plus the 5 that Frizzle's on. So 31. So we got... Oh, yeah. What are you doing, bud? Here's my boys, Bert and Ernie. There's Bert. There's Ernie. Ernie's getting a little bit attacked in the neck. Both the same size. Ernie might be a slight bit bigger, to be honest with you. A little bit lighter color, but be sad to see Stanley go, but I've had him for a long time, so anyway, cheers y'all. Thanks for watching.